In this video, I'll be showing you how you can play NPC games in your Meta Quest 3 wirelessly. First is we have to download the official Oculus application for linking our PC to the Meta Quest 3. You can find this application in the official Meta website, and you just need to search for Meta Quest 3 and 3S and find the download button, which is this. After downloading the application, I'll be instructing you step by step on how you can set it up. First is we have to press the Meta button or the Oculus button on your controller to open the universal menu. After finding it or after opening it, we have to head to our quick settings. And you can find this on the clock on the left side to open your quick settings. And next is we have to turn on the air link. Tap the link on the quick settings and then toggle use air link to on. Once this is turned on, you will now see all the available PCs in the list. Just find your PC and then connect it or pair it. Then pairing code will appear in your headset. A confirmation prompt will appear in the Oculus app. Then confirm the pairing code matching the one in your headset and then click the confirm button. Once you're done confirming the process, you just need to go back into your headset and select launch to start streaming PC VR content or PC games wirelessly. And that's it. That's how you can play PC games in your Meta Quest 3 easily or wirelessly, and thank you for listening.